Yo guys, today we're gonna head up to old Taihepe for a hunt with my best mate Michael. Hey guys, just made it to Taihepe, had a wee feed at the local pub, and now I've just met up with Michael, following him. Here I am looking like a hunter, and all the gear, Michael's just a farmer. Yo guys, we went for a deer hunt, no luck, so we're gonna go get some trout. Hey Michael. Took a little bit longer to set up than old Michael, but we've got the lure on there. Michael's already down the water. Hey guys, so I just spotted a deer and Michael with his new gun took the shot. We think it was a shoulder shot, but it is way up in those hills. Just hit another deer, second one, my shot this time. We just gotta find out where it went. There's about 6 of them. That way, which it could have done, or it could have gone down. Over it again. What did you say? Oh, I dropped! Just got down to the deer, had to cut it up. Michael, here we are. Here we are. Look at that. How you feeling, Michael?
Alright.
Tired?
A little bit.
Don't blame you. Been a long couple of days of walking, but so worth it at the end.